Welcome to day 16 of Beginner's Yoga Challenge. This is another seated yoga practice for your upper body, neck, shoulders and upper back. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position. You can sit cross-legged or sit on your heels. You can sit on a block, a cushion, a blanket. Use any props you need to make this position more comfortable, and change your position anytime you need during the practice. Let's close the eyes for a moment here and bring your attention to your upper body. Notice how your neck, your shoulders feel right now. Notice if there is any tension or tightness. Simply notice how you feel. Begin to slowly deepen your breath, inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Notice the small movements in your body as you breathe, how your chest lifts as you inhale and falls down as you exhale. Take one more big, slow breath here. And then open your eyes. Place your hands to your shoulders and begin to make circles with your shoulders, as big as you can, warming up the shoulders. Reverse direction, a few more circles. Then release your hands to your thighs. With inhale, bring your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale through the mouth, releasing the shoulders. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, release. One more time, inhale and exhale. Drop your chin down to your chest to feel the stretch on the back of the neck. Breathe here. Slowly circle your chin to the right, bringing it parallel to the right shoulder to feel the stretch on the side of the neck. Slowly bring your chin down and then over to the other side. Chin parallel to the left shoulder. Feel the stretch on the right side of the neck. Slowly circle your chin down and then lift your head. Bring your left hand behind the back and drop your right ear towards your right shoulder. Feel the nice stretch on the left side of the neck. Keeping your hand behind the back helps to keep your left shoulder down. If you want a little deeper stretch, you can gently press your head with the hands. But if you feel enough stretch, just stay there. Bring your head back to center. Bend your right arm behind the back. Lower your left ear towards your left shoulder to stretch the other side of the neck. And bring your head back to center. Next we will do chin tucks. It's a great exercise for everyone who works in front of computer. Place your pointy finger to your chin and gently press your chin and head back. Release for a moment and then press your chin back again. It can look a bit funny, as if you're trying to give yourself a double chin. You don't need to use a finger, you can also do it without the help of your hand. Just pressing your head back and up. As you do so, you should feel a good stretch on the neck and base of the head. Imagine there is a wall behind you and you're trying to press your head back, bringing your ear in line with the shoulder. Repeat it a few more times. And then press your head back and hold it there. Keep breathing. Chin stays parallel to the ground. Gaze forward. And then release, relax. Circle your arms up to the ceiling. Interlace your fingers with palms facing up. Inhale, push your palms up towards the ceiling. Exhale, bring your arms forward, rounding the spine and dropping your head down. Push your hands away from you. Inhale, arms reach up, stretching through the sides of the torso. Exhale, release the arms down, interlace the fingers behind your back. Inhale, lift your chest, pull your hands away from the body, stretching the front of the shoulders. Exhale, release your arms. Let's repeat it 2 more times. Inhale, reach your arms up, stretch through the sides of the body. Exhale, interlace the fingers. Inhale, press your palms up. Exhale, press your palms forward, rounding the back. Inhale, press the palms up. Exhale, circle your arms down, interlace the fingers. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, release your arms. 1 more time. Inhale, circle the arms up. Interlace the fingers. Press your palms up, inhale. Round the back, exhale. Inhale, press the palms up. Exhale, circle the arms down. Interlace the fingers behind the back. Lift your chest, pull your hands away, inhale. Exhale, release. Change your seated position if you need to. Lift your left arm, bend in the elbow, place your hand behind the back and press your elbow gently with the opposite hand. You can stay here or bring your opposite hand behind to interlace the fingers, to add the stretch on the other shoulder. If fingertips don't reach to interlace, you can hold onto your t-shirt or hold a yoga strap with your hands. Slowly release your arms and bring your right arm up, bending the elbow. Gently press the elbow with the opposite hand. Staying here or bringing the arm behind to interlace the fingers or any other variation. Slowly release your arms. Shake out your shoulders. Extend your arms in front, crossing one over the other, doesn't matter which one. Try pressing the palms or the back of the palms together, or place your hands on your shoulders. Inhale to lift your elbows higher, but keep the shoulders down. Breathe here, sending your breath into the upper back. One more big inhale here, lift your elbows even higher. Exhale, bend forward, rounding the back, dropping your head. Feel the stretch on the back. And on your next inhale, slowly come up. Extend your arms and cross the other arm on top. Hands on the shoulders, the back of the palms or the palms pressed together. Inhale, lift your elbows, keeping the shoulders down. Keep breathing deeply. One more big inhale, lift your elbows higher. Exhale, bend forward. Relax your upper body, rounding the back. And with your next inhale, slowly come up to seated. Release your arms. Maybe shake out your shoulders or roll your head or any other movements that would feel good at the end of the practice. And then release your palms to the thighs. Relax your shoulders away from the ears. Close your eyes. And take a moment to notice how your body feels now. Notice if you feel any difference in your upper body, in your neck, shoulders. Maybe you feel like there is more space there. Maybe the tension is gone. Maybe your body feels more relaxed, more light. Maybe you don't feel any difference at all. Simply notice what you feel. Take one more big breath here. And with your next inhale, open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's practice. Let me know in the comments if you did. Thank you for practicing with me and see you tomorrow.